This is the Olifantsfontein Bridge, or rather, the additional bridge that will be added to the existing bridge to create a 4-lane carriageway over the N1 between Pretoria and Johannesburg. It forms part of the South African National Roads Agency's, or SANRAL's, R1.7 billion Package C of the Gauteng Freeway Improvement Project. SANRAL project engineer Henny Kotze explains.
Package C stretches from Brakfontein interchange to Kloof interchange, the so-called Ben Schoeman Freeway between Pretoria and Johannesburg. It is 22 kilometers long, and it is one of the packages of the Gauteng Freeway Improvement Scheme. We foresee to widen the freeway to 4 lanes in each direction, and in certain areas, for instance between Allendale interchange and Kloof interchange, it will be 60 lanes in a direction.
The Olifantsfontein Bridge is not the only one which will be upgraded as part of Package C.
Allendale interchange, the existing single bridge that's there, will actually be demolished and replaced with 2 new bridges. And the whole interchange is going to be upgraded from the existing diamond interchange to a free-flow interchange with no traffic lights whatsoever. Then LaRue Street is an overbridge. That bridge is also going to need to be demolished because it hasn't got enough clearance for trucks to go underneath it. So that will be demolished, and also it's also not wide enough for all the 4 lanes to go through there. So it will be demolished and replaced with a new bridge. And then Olifantsfontein Bridge, we're also doubling up the bridge there to provide a dual carriageway road across the freeway. And the last one is Nelmapius, which is also overbridge. Nelmapius will also be demolished because the width of the bridge is not sufficient over the freeway to make provision for all the lanes, and that will also be replaced with a new bridge.
At the moment, work on Package C is progressing largely according to schedule.
We are more or less on time. There's slight delays here and there with certain activities, but in general we are 40% complete. And we foresee the completion date to be, or to have the major work completed by April 2010, before the World Cup. And then there will be some activities still to be completed after that, which will not affect the freeway itself.